Hi friends, myself Ankita, and in my video I'll be telling you certain vocabulary words daily so that you'll be improving in English. So friends, let's start. So first word, today I'll be talking about certain personality types. The first word is people who only think about themselves, their egos, their benefits, their profits. So who are such people? These people are egoists, right? So these people think only about themselves. They are like selfish people, ruthless people, me first, people who only think about themselves. So if you are meeting certain person like who is always in a notion to think about him or herself, then you can say that he or she is an egoist, right? How do we pronounce it? Egoist. Egoist. Okay, very good. So the next person, dear friends, today in my video, I'll be telling about 10 personality types, and so that you can learn 10 new words. And these words are about a particular personality type. So the second category is people who are boastful of themselves, who only think about them. These are people who are thinking rather than they are talking about themselves, who only boast about themselves, their ideas, like if I have done this, I would have done it better. या यूँ कह लें अपने मुंह मियाँ मिट्ठू, ऐसे लोग जो सिर्फ अपनी तारीफ करते हैं. So such people are egotist, right? Egotist. The first category I told you is egoist, EGOIST, and the second category is egotist. So such people, they boast about themselves. अपनी तारीफ करना, अपने बारे में बात करना, हर जगह सिर्फ अपनी मैं. Okay. Now the third category is people who help others. They are nice people. They only think about others. They care for others. So such people are called altruist, right? Altruist. 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 Friends, I'll be giving the spelling of the words in the description box. So you can check the description box and you will be exactly getting the spelling of the words that I am telling you. Just I am discussing about the words so that if you read the words, then you will be understanding well. So the third category is people who are ready to help you. So they are altruist. Fourth is leave me alone type. These people, they want to be alone. They love their solitude. They are most of the time sad and what? अकेले रहना पसंद करते हैं, very shy. Like if you are talking to them, they'll be like, what will he or she think of me? If you want to ask them, let's go some party. No, I don't want to go for a party. I like to live alone. So such people are जो अकेले रहना पसंद करते हैं, जो हर चीज में घबराते हैं, shy feel करते हैं. These people are introvert, right? Introvert. Spelling is INTROVERT. Introvert people are very shy in nature and they don't want to mingle with others. The next category is people who are ready to party, the opposite. These people are the opposite of introvert. They are ready to party. Such people are mostly teachers, counselors, administrators, or you can say like insurance agents too. So these people are most of the time having high spirits. They are happy. So what do we call them? Yes, we call them extroverts. Extroverts. Friends, if you are encountering any word, then it is very important that you pronounce it correctly. The pronunciation of any word, if it is done correctly, then it sounds good. If you are speaking in English and the words that you are speaking are pronounced correctly, then your conversation is better and the person in front of you have a feel that your conversation is very good. So in every word that I am telling you, please focus on the pronunciation also, and I'll be telling you in the description box. So the next people are the people who are the combination of both introverts plus extroverts. What is introvert and what is extrovert? That I have already told you. People who are shy, who don't want to mingle with others, they are introverts, and people who are ready to mingle, who are very happy most of the time, who are having high spirits, they are extroverts. So the people who are having the combination of both of them, like the introverts plus the extroverts, they are on occasion certain times, sometimes they are introverts and sometimes they are extrovert. It depends on the situations. So such people are, like normally most of the people are like this, and such people are termed as ambiverts. What is the spelling? A-M-B-I-V-E-R-T. Ambiverts. So such people are ambiverts who are having both the categories, both the combinations, introverts plus extroverts. So the next people category is, oh my god, for them people are no damn good. Most of them feels कि ये बेकार है, ये इंसान बेकार है, yeah, this mortal is no good. Most of the time they are just commenting on others. They do not like anybody. Be it anybody, they don't like anybody. So they don't like humans. So what do we call them? Yes, these people are misanthrope. M-I-S-A-N-T-H-R-O-P-E. Misanthrope. Again, misanthrope. So such people are those who don't like any person, whose most of the time favorite theme is, most mortals are stupid. He is a stupid person. Okay, and the next category is like these, like the previous one, but these people have a particular, vengeance towards a particular category, like the females. These people, the people who don't like females, for them females are no damn good. Sometime it might have happened that they have been cheated by some girlfriend or some mother. Their mother might have hurt them or anybody, but they have just created a barrier from the girls and they don't like females. So what are such people called? So what are those people called? What are those people called? They are misogynist. It is misogynist. Misogynist, what is the spelling? M-I-S-O-G-Y-N-I-S-T. Misogynists are those who don't like females, who have some vengeance or some hatred or some ill feeling for females, especially females. And the people who don't like other people, they are misanthrope. So misanthrope are the people who don't like the other people, and misogynists are the people who don't like females. Right. So the next category is people who don't like marriage. For them, marriage is an institution. Like they can make friends with others. They can have their girlfriend. They can have a roommate. They can have a batchmate. Anybody. They can be in good companies, but they don't want to be in a particular, like they don't want to be binded in a relationship. And such people are called misogamist. Yes, misogamist. Misogamists are those who don't like marriage. For them, marriage is an institution and they don't like to spend their whole life with a single person. So misogamist is people who don't like marriage. And the last category of people are people who have simple living. They don't like the shosha baji. They don't like hi-fi things. And they're very simple, very kind people, very nice. They do yoga. They keep their mind and body calm, composed. And such people are called ascetic people. Ascetic. A-S-C-E-T. C-E-T-I-C. A-S-C-E-T-I-C. So such people are called ascetic. So friends, today in my video, I have told you about 10 people who are having different personality types. The first one were the egoist. The second one were the egotist. Then the helping people, altruist. Then the shy people, introverts. Then the outgoing people, extroverts. Then the combination, ambivert. Then hatred of the human race, misanthrope. Hatred of females, misogynist. Then hatred of marriage, misogamist. And the last one is the simple people, that is ascetic. So I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe the video if you like it. And daily I'll be posting certain new words for you in my videos. And whatever words I'll be telling you, the spelling plus the pronunciation, that will be giving in the description box. So I hope you like my video. Bye bye.